Hello and welcome everyone, my name is Sergey, and in this video I'm gonna go into what are things that you can do in order to protect yourself from hackers, scammers, and anyone in between. If you have an iOS device such as an iPhone, I'm gonna be showing you what things you can do to make sure that nobody goes into your phone and tries to steal your important data and information. So those are going to be a few hacks that you can do right now in order to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please go back right down below and subscribe to it. It is free for you to join this channel. And plus bookmark this specific page, maybe, and this video. It's going to help you in the future. With that said and done, let's go ahead and go into what you can do to stop those annoying phone calls and how you can stop those Amazon and Walmart fake gift card giveaways. And if you did and you do see those giveaways over there, never click on them. They're there to steal your information. They're not giving you free gift cards. So I want to talk about a few things, especially when it comes to enhancing your phone and making sure that you are not getting any phone calls, especially the phone calls that you don't want from scammers. Right there. So to make sure that those scammers don't actually call you, there's a few things you can do. And on the iPhone iOS, what you can actually do is to go ahead and add the guy as your contact and then name him as something he's worthy of. So that definitely will prevent this guy from actually calling you. So if he continues to call you, now you know who is calling you and you can block this phone caller after you make him as a contact. So that's one way that you can go ahead and do this. Another thing that you can do is to go to iOS and download something called Giftcard. With Giftcard, you can do a few things. The fun thing about Giftcard, you can actually change your voice. You can do background noise, you can record the phone call, you can send the phone call straight to voicemail, you can use Wi-Fi, you can create an actual phone number, and you can spoof text as well. Pretty much you have to buy a few credits and you have some free that you can use, but the best thing about this is that you can spoof any specific number and then you can call them right back and you can get back at them if you actually want to. So that's the great thing about the Giftcard, that you can actually use and do. And it's going to do exactly what they're doing to you. They're using different kind of numbers and they call you. And you can call them right back and you can actually play this game along. Or of course you can just prevent them from calling you in the first place by going ahead and moving the phone call directly to voicemail. That you have to definitely know who is calling you for that. So that's a few things that you can do here, but you can also go ahead and reduce and download Robot Killer today. So this is another app that you can actually grab. Another thing you can do, you can get not only revenge on the robocalls, you can also reduce unwanted robocalls by over 90% in 30 days with the Robot Killer. So make sure you get this app. It is awesome. It's going to prevent those annoying people from calling you all the time and trying to annoy you with their unwanted things that they want to annoy you with. The next thing you can do to enhance your protection is to go ahead and update your software. This will definitely make sure that they can't go and use any loopholes in the software and get into your phone and something like that as well. A few other things that you can do here. The next thing I do suggest for you to do is to upgrade your software to the latest version so they can't utilize any loopholes in the software in order to hack into your phone. Next thing I totally suggest for you to do is to keep going here, and we're going to go where it says Safari. In the Safari itself, you want to do a few things here. One, you want to make sure that the block pop-up ads is enabled, block all cookies, and fraudulent website warning is on. Then you want to make sure you press on clear history and website data. After you go and do that, you go to advanced, then you press on website data. It's going to load it up. Then you want to make sure every single one of those sites on the website data are actually legitimate. It might take you some time to load up every single one of them. Then when you go through them, make sure you know and you actually go ahead and visit any of those sites. Anything that is suspicious, just press on delete. Unfortunately, you can't go ahead and just find the scammer ones. But what you can do is just press on remove all website data in order if you have any issues with your phone, and specifically when you go to Safari. That's one of the cool things that you can do here to enhance your phone. The next feature that you want to enable is actually available in the settings. Go to the settings, move where it says to screen time. Over here you're moving where it says content privacy and restrictions. Put in your password if you do have one. You want to enable the content restrictions, so you have the green one on. You're going to keep moving where it says content restrictions, and there you're going to be moving where it says web content. Right now it has unlimited access. What you can do here is limit adult websites or allow specific websites only. So here is some that is already preset, and you can keep on adding any website that you go visit. This way you prevent people from actually having this blocker that keeps on just showing up on those sites and moving you to them. Of course, another solution for you is just to press on limit adult websites and just add any specific scam website right to this instead. Including, you can always allow the websites you always visit, and you can add never allow the scam websites using this method. So this is very effective method, and it's up to you to decide which of those you want to actually use. But if you press on unlimited unrestricted access, you definitely will have issues with the scam ad blocker and all those scam pop-ups popping into your viewpoint almost all the time, especially if you are having them infest your phone. So those are the few things that you can do in order to make sure that your phone itself is ready and is enabled, so you don't have any issues with this phone. Another solution for you, and this is just for people who are interested in doing so, would be to actually limit public internet access. If you go on a public internet access and you're using the web browser software, what you actually are doing is getting into the network, and by using a network like it, you are actually risking yourself. So what you can do is, when you press on here and you try to purchase something, you want to use HTTPS and then add everything after that. That's going to make it a lot more secure. But when you're using a public internet domain, every password you use just to log on it automatically gets all the information that you put in here. So for example, if you're using a specific credit card trying to purchase something, I totally suggest for you to just go to your house and do so in a secure location.